Hi, this video is going to show you how to use Hugin app to stitch the images into a 360 panorama. First, please download the Hugin app by clicking on the link given. Click on the downloaded installer. Be sure to click More Info and Run Anyway to enable the installation. It just takes about 1 or 2 minutes to complete. Click Finish to exit installation. Then go back to your desktop, search for Hugin and run the program. Close. Click on Load Images and select all the images you rendered from AiHouse. Choose Stereographic on lens type and input 90 degrees. Then click OK. Next, click on Align and wait for it to process. Okay. Click Create Panorama. Choose JPEG and choose the first option and click OK. Click OK again to save the project first and save again for the image. So let's rename to Panorama 360 and save it. Now just wait for a moment until the green bar finish loading. Now it's done, you can just close it. Next, we're going to upload the panorama image to the Facebook 360 generator. Just upload the image, reposition if needed, then click download when it's done. Save the image again. And now you may upload to your Facebook. Okay? Happy trying, guys. Bye.